Hey guys, I'm playing just some rivals. Some rivals. Just gonna do a 2v2. So my friend isn't here this time, so just gonna be me. Okay. Loading. Chunka. Have you ever heard of chunka? 2, 1, go! No, Splash, seriously? Come on. Oh, I hate Splash. Smoke grenade this time, but you're only level 4. Come on. Please be good. I always do that first. Never really actually go there. Oh, snipe. No, couldn't they bow? The only way you can beat bow is, assault rifle. No, behind you. No. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. Oh, I'm supposed to smoke screen. Oopsie. More like bestie. Please work, please. Please. Maybe behind? Probably behind. Moves intent. Oh, he's right there. Oh. I just wonder how snipers just have such good aim. He think they don't have such good aim. They don't always have such good aim, to be true. This guy will probably win. Because it's gonna be a draw. No, really. Anybody's gonna win. Okay, technically he's gonna win because a draw is a win, technically. Both teams win, but they don't count. Switch weapons, assault rifle, handgun, riot shield, smoke grenade. Come up there. Might lose this mean. Might lose. Key thing is, at least you tried. If you lose, at least you tried. What'd you expect? No. Just a sniper all out. What that sniper is. Okay, we're gonna win this, man. Let's stop this. Oh my god! How did this work? You were losing this, but it's to me, I'm Mario. It's to me, Dio. I'm so close to getting it. No. 4v4 is easier than 2v2. Team frontman. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. I hope I actually win this one. No, Crossroads, seriously, Crossroads. Why? Now, just why Crossroads? Oh, yeah. I actually like this. Well, to be true, I do like this one. It's like my favorite one. I get so many ones here. Easy. Ease. Right? Oh no, snipe first. Oh yeah. Oh no. I have. Ooh, headshot. Hey, that was good headshot. Gee, that was pretty low. Oh, like, oh, lost. Okay. Alright. Go, Power Rangers. No. Behind you. No, behind. Bruh. Look, did he like lose his weapon or something? No, I think I left. No. No. That was just. No, how do I hit that? That's so fast. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. Stop. Okay, Bruh. I didn't even like live for like 2 seconds. Like, it's not like 30 seconds. Oh goodness, yeah, I'm not gonna die for 30 seconds. I'm gonna actually live. And that I mean is I don't know. Hello. What happened? Did something happen? I can get a revolver. Yeah. Revolver. Oh yeah. Lucy. No, like that looks good. Skins. Little Desert Eagle. No, that one looks cool. Okay, so I'm sorry. So now let's bye. Have a nice day.